Very good morning, dear students of standard 7th. I have already completed lesson number 1 to 5. Objective question answers, assignments as well as notes. Now here we come with the next video of history subject, lesson number 6, conflict with the Mughals. Okay. Now even I will provide you the objective of this lesson also, but in your portion there is only till 5. Got it? So take down the assignments and objective questions from lesson number 6. Now points to remember. First one, left from Ahmednagar and entered the Pune provinces. Who did this? Shaiste Khan. The Killedar of Fort Chakan. Who was the Killedar of Chakan? Fironji Narsalla. The Mughal captured the fort. The Mughal कौन से फोर्ट को कैप्चर किया था? That was Chakan. The British, Dutch and French had their factories at, कहाँ पे उनका फैक्ट्रीज था? That was in Surat. Next one, Subedar of Surat, Inayat Khan. Inayat. See, it is written over here. Inayat Khan. Shivaji raided and collected plenty of wealth from, किससे plenty of wealth उन्होंने लिया था? जय सिंह. To curb Shivaji Maharaj, Aurangzeb sent. Whom did Aurangzeb send? 1 minute. Here is some mistaken. I have mistaken over here. Shivaji raided and collected plenty of wealth from Surat. Okay, not from Jai Singh. It is a place that is defined. Okay. To curb Shivaji Maharaj, Aurangzeb sent Jai Singh. Next one. Shaiste Khan set his camp at Lal Mahal in Pune. He fought bravely to defend Purandar fort but died a hero's death. Who died a hero's death? Murarbaji Deshpande. Shivaji went to Agra to meet Emperor Aurangzeb. Shivaji was put under house arrest in Agra. शिवाजी एस्केप टू, आगरा से वो कहाँ पे एस्केप किया था? रायगढ़. अ लर्न पंडित हु क्राउन शिवाजी महाराज. कॉरोनेशन के टाइम में शिवाजी को जो क्राउन किया था वो पंडित कौन था? ही वॉज कागा भट्ट. Okay, and he had collected the water of 7 rivers. As the symbol of sovereignty, that this was started by whom? Rajya Abhishek Shaka, coronation era. Special coin were minted. A gold coin, horns, a copper coin, Shivrai. इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ गोल्ड एंड कॉपर कॉइन. इंस्क्रिप्शन जिसमें वो किसका था? कॉपर कॉइन के ऊपर श्री राजा शिवाजी छत्रपति. अ डिक्शनरी कंटेनिंग संस्कृत ऑल्टरनेटिव. राज्य व्यवहारा कोशा. शिवाजी कैंपेन टू द साउथ. शिवाजी महाराज का कैंपेन जो था साउथ की तरफ वो कहाँ पे था? गोलकोंडा. शिवाजी मेड फ्रेंडशिप विथ. शिवाजी महाराज ने फ्रेंडशिप किससे किया था? कुतुब शाह द रूलर ऑफ कर्नाटका. शिवाजी कॉन्क्वर्ड द फोर्ट ऑफ द साउथ. होस्कोट, जिंजी, वेलर, Bangalore. The chief officer appointed to look after the territory. Raghunath Narayan Hanamte. World famous library, the Saraswati Mahal. The half brother of Shivaji ruling Tanjapur, Venkoji. Shivaji Maharaj passed away at Raigad. Important events and dates. This is very important. You have to remember the dates also. Shaiste Khan left Ahmednagar and went to Pune provinces at February 1660. Shivaji raided Lal Mahal at 5th April 1663. Treaty of Purandar, June 1665. Shivaji's coronation, 6 June 1674. Karnataka campaign, October 1677. Shivaji Maharaj died at Raigad, 3rd April 1680. Now, here are few MCQ questions. Okay, you have to find the answer and write. The Kiledar of fort of Chakkan was dash. Shaiste Khan set up his campaign at Lal Mahal in dash. The Treaty of Dash was signed between Jai Singh and Shivaji. Shivaji helped Jai Singh against dash. The Mughal captured the fort of dash. In the raid, Dash lost his finger. Dash was the Subedar of Surat. Dash died a heroic death after defending the Purandar fort. Shivaji Maharaj passed away at Dash fort on 3rd April 1680. Dash, a learned Pandit, crowned Shivaji Maharaj on his first coronation. Okay. Now next is match the following. Match the following. First one, column A, column B. Treaty of Purandar. Second, Shivaji coronation. Third, Karnataka campaign. Fourth, Shivaji raised Lal Mahal. Column B में उसका events दिया हुआ है. You have to match it. And already these are things I have already given in points to remember. Understood? Arrange in a chronological order. Southern campaign of Shivaji Maharaj, raid of Lal Mahal, escape from Agra, fourth one is coronation, fifth one is Treaty of Purandar, and sixth one is Shaiste Khan invention. You have to make in a chronological order which sentence will come in first line, which will come in second line, which will come in third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line. So for this you have to read the complete textbook, complete lesson of from the textbook. Answer I have deleted here so that you can write it in your own. Okay, so here I complete this video. read and write it, make PDFs and send me in WhatsApp group. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.